Imagine a compact SUV that is not just built for today, but designed for the future. A vehicle that promises better fuel efficiency, smarter technology, and a completely upgraded driving experience. Today, we are talking about something that is already creating massive buzz in the automotive world: the all-new Toyota Raize Hybrid 2026. Welcome back to Auto Analytics Name, your go-to destination for the latest cars, future automotive updates, and real-world automotive breakdowns that help you understand what is truly worth your attention. If you are passionate about cars and upcoming technology, make sure to subscribe, because every video here brings something new, something informative, and something exciting. Today's topic is the Toyota Raize Hybrid 2026, which has officially been unveiled. But the real question is simple. Is this just another small upgrade, or is it actually a game-changing compact SUV for the future? Let's start with the exterior design. The 2026 Raize Hybrid comes with a completely refreshed and more futuristic look at the front. The LED headlights have been redesigned with a sharper and more distinctive lighting signature that gives the SUV a strong identity on the road. The grille now looks bolder and more aerodynamic, improving both visual appeal and airflow efficiency. The front bumper has also been reshaped with sporty detailing and modern cuts that make the SUV look more aggressive and premium. Moving to the side profile, the compact proportions remain ideal for city driving, but the styling has become more refined. New alloy wheel designs add a sporty touch, while the floating roof effect gives it a modern urban SUV character. Subtle chrome accents are placed carefully to enhance the premium feel without making the design too busy. Overall, the side profile now looks more balanced, modern, and attractive. At the rear, the SUV features connected LED taillights that create a wide and futuristic appearance. The redesigned rear bumper adds depth and structure, giving the vehicle a more stable and confident stance from behind. The overall design now feels more complete and globally competitive. Now let's move to the most important highlight: the hybrid system. The Toyota Raize Hybrid 2026 is expected to come with an improved petrol engine combined with an electric motor. This hybrid system is designed to intelligently switch between petrol and electric power depending on driving conditions. In city driving and low-speed traffic, the electric motor takes priority, allowing the vehicle to run quietly and efficiently. This significantly reduces fuel consumption and improves overall mileage. In stop-and-go traffic conditions, the system automatically manages energy usage to avoid unnecessary fuel waste. On highways, the petrol engine and electric motor work together to deliver smooth acceleration and balanced performance. This combination ensures that the vehicle remains efficient without sacrificing drivability. This is not just about fuel saving, it is about intelligent energy management that adapts to your driving style in real time. Inside the cabin, the Raize Hybrid 2026 feels more modern and technology-focused. A larger infotainment display is placed at the center of the dashboard, supporting smartphone connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time hybrid system information, allowing the driver to monitor how energy is being distributed between petrol and electric power. The steering wheel now includes integrated controls for convenience, while voice command functionality helps reduce driver distraction. The cabin materials feel more refined, and the seating has been improved for better comfort during long drives. Rear passengers also get improved space and comfort, making the SUV more practical for families and daily commuting. Now coming to safety. Toyota continues its strong reputation in this area. The Raize Hybrid 2026 is expected to include advanced driver assistance systems, such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and multiple airbags. These features work together to improve safety and reduce the chances of accidents, especially in busy traffic conditions. When it comes to driving experience, the suspension has been tuned for comfort, especially on uneven roads. The steering feels light and responsive in city conditions, while remaining stable at higher speeds. This makes the SUV suitable for both new drivers and experienced users. Now, the big question, is it really worth it? If you are looking for a fuel-efficient, modern, and practical compact SUV, then the Toyota Raize Hybrid 2026 is definitely a strong contender. It is designed for people who want lower running costs, modern technology, and everyday usability in one package. However, if your priority is high performance, luxury-level features, or sporty driving dynamics, then this vehicle may not be the perfect match. Its main focus is efficiency, practicality, and smart hybrid technology rather than extreme performance. In terms of competition, the compact SUV segment is already very competitive, but Toyota's hybrid advantage gives the Raize a unique position in the market. As fuel prices continue to rise and environmental regulations become stricter, hybrid vehicles like this are expected to become even more important in the coming years. Now let's address the real truth behind the title. Petrol Kabul Jow. The reality is that petrol is not completely gone. Instead, its usage is significantly reduced. The Raize Hybrid does not eliminate petrol, but it reduces dependency through its hybrid system. So instead of calling it a petrol replacement, it is more accurate to call it a transition vehicle, a bridge between traditional combustion engines and the future of electric mobility. And that is exactly what makes the Toyota Raize Hybrid 2026. Interesting. It is not extreme, not fully electric, but perfectly balanced for real-world driving needs. Now tell me in the comments, would you choose a hybrid SUV like this for better fuel efficiency and modern features, or do you still prefer traditional petrol engines? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Auto Analytics Name for more future automotive content. We will see you in the next video with another exciting car update. Until then, drive safe and stay updated.